This is Scott, and today I'd like to show you our 2006 Forest River Cardinal 36-foot fifth wheel with 3 slides. This is the driver's side. You can obviously see 2 of the slides here. The other slide is in the living room on the passenger side, which you can see back there. Let's go inside. You come in, first thing you see is your table, which does have a leaf that makes it much bigger. Your couch. This coach has 2 recliners in it as well. Across from all that is your kitchen with your refrigerator, your stove, a lot of nice counter space in this coach. Ducted heat and air. You have a ceiling fan, and at the end is your entertainment center with a flat screen TV. Let's go check out the bedroom area. Up 2 small steps. It's your bedroom area. The king size bed. A lot of nice storage. Place for a television at the end, and a large closet. Also, you have your shower area with skylight and your vanity. The toilet is in its own room. This is a great fifth wheel for not a lot of money. A lot of nice touches with woodwork and that kind of thing in here. For information about this or any of our other trailers or motorhomes, please go to recreationrvsales.com or visit us on our website, recreationrvsales.com, or give us a call at 888-958-7848. And remember, at Recreation RV Sales, your fun is our business.